Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I was reading something a moment ago.
Really? What were you reading?
I read a letter first.
A letter? That sounds interesting.
Yes, and after that, I read a word.
Just one word?
Yes, I want to practice reading slowly.
That's great. I also read a sentence this morning.
A sentence? Nice.
Yes, and later I read a book.
Wow, a whole book?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
I read too.
Reading is important.
He reads as well. My friend reads every day.
That's a good habit.
Do you write too?
Yes, I write.
What do you write?
I write a letter sometimes.
A letter? To whom?
To my family.
Nice. I write a word when I practice spelling.
That's helpful.
I also write a sentence when I study grammar.
Very good.
And sometimes I write a book.
A book? That's amazing.
Yes, Minyet Chetab Minavism. I write a book.
That's impressive.
I write every day.
I write too.
You write.
Yes, Tomi Nevasai you write.
And Tomi Nevazat, he writes.
You're learning well.
Thank you.
What else do you read?
I read stories.
Do you enjoy them?
Yes, very much.
I read articles online.
That's useful.
What do you write most often?
I write notes.
Notes help you remember things.
Exactly.
Do you read every day?
Yes, I try to.
Good habit.
Do you write every day?
Not every day, but often.
Writing improves thinking.
Yes, it does.
I read a paragraph yesterday.
A paragraph? Nice.
It was difficult.
But you did it.
Yes.
I wrote a short story last night.
Really?
Yes, it was fun.
I want to write a story too.
You should.
I will.
What kind of story?
Maybe a story about reading and writing.
That's perfect.
I read a poem today.
A poem? Beautiful.
Yes, it was short.
Short poems are nice.
Do you like poems?
Yes, I do.
I write poems sometimes.
That's wonderful.
I read instructions for my homework.
Did it help?
Yes, very much.
I write lists to stay organized.
Lists are helpful.
What did you read today besides the letter?
I read a message.
From whom?
From a friend.
Nice.
I also read a page from a book.
Good practice.
I write practice sentences.
That's smart.
I read them again later.
Reading what you write helps you learn.
Yes, it does.
Do you want to read together?
Sure, that sounds great.
And maybe write something together too.
Yes, let's do that.
We can start with a simple sentence.
Good idea.
Then we can write a short paragraph.
Perfect.
Reading and writing together is fun.
I agree.
Let's continue practicing every day.
Yes, we should.
Thank you for the conversation.
Thank you too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.